Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Zendesk. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then click on sign in once again. And you will be asked to enter your credentials if you haven't logged in already. Go ahead and use your email address and your password and you will be logged into your Zendesk account. Now, if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on View Profile. Now, from the View Profile menu, click on Security Settings and now you will see your password option. Click on the Change button and you will be allowed to change your password. Type in your current password first within the current password box and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password box. Finally, type in your desired new password once again for verification and then click on the Save button, and now you will be logged out from your account and your password will immediately be changed and you can now use your new password in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.